Hey guys, so I want to do a quick video here about this pretty amazing looking concept here that would be like the thinnest iPhone ever. It is a concept of the next generation iPhone. It's a concept from Joseph Farai, and you can find him at ovalpicture.com. He seems to be a designer, and he's been making this epic concept here of a super thin iPhone. And they also made a video that you can check out if you want to check out the full little thing here, but it's super thin, around 6 millimeters in thickness. He's been imagining edge-to-edge display, a 5.1 inch display as well. Yeah, 6 millimeters in thickness. Did I see that in this video? I'm pretty sure. It looks like the what is it called? The Touch ID is a little bit bigger, and then also he's been imagining a 10 megapixel camera, and that's something that we've heard that the next generation iPhone is gonna have around a 10 megapixel, or could be a little bit more or a little bit less, but it definitely should have a better looking or better camera on top to be able to compete with the new Sony phones and a lot of just Android smartphones that's coming out with like 20 megapixel camera, 16 megapixel camera, 18, 40 megapixel camera, and Apple is still just at 8 megapixels, so they're probably going to do some interesting things at that area in this year. And this rumor that we might see 2 new iPhones. Now this is probably not going to be the next generation iPhone. It's probably not going to be this thin. This looks like a 2016 phone almost. 2016, yeah, I think that could be a good year for a extreme phone like this that is this thin. Hopefully also it would, yeah, he has also imagined there would only be 100 grams in terms of weight, and we've been seeing this a lot in many years now, edge to edge, and I really hope phones are really closing in to be that. Like, we just need more sexier phones, and some people have been saying that 6 millimeters would be like super thin phone and it would feel weird. I don't actually think it's going to be weird. I think that in the future they're just going to be smaller, okay? They're just going to be like, maybe even, I can even imagining a 1 millimeter phone, and it would just be super thin, and it will be awesome. It will be pretty epic. He has been imagining a new display here, 5.1 inch Retina display version 2 that we've been hearing that Sharp is probably going to do something like that, and it's just going to be epic with a bigger display on an iPhone, because that's the main problem I have with iPhones and why I don't use them as my main device. They are just too small, okay? iPhones are too small. 2014 or even 2013, 2012 even, 4-inch screen. I need something bigger. The problem though with Apple is that they definitely needs to do some kind of design change if they're gonna probably make a bigger iPhone, because I think it's gonna feel weird if they're gonna keep the same design, because it's pretty thick and has kind of like a little bit sharp edges, and definitely not as rounded off as phones like the Galaxy lineup, which definitely feels good there on the sides. But we just have to wait and see what Apple's going to do. Check out my other concept videos also if you want to do it. I like to do these videos because I think it's cool also to show off when amazing designers have been playing out and been trying to create like a render of something new and something cool. And I'm very into new phones and check it out. So yeah, peace out.